Do you want to brighten your day? It's the UK Games Expo. Hello Explorer, it's the UK Games Expo, my favourite show of the year. Big games, small games, independents, you name it, it's probably here. But my sunny side up outlook has been really tested today, had to get the rail replacement in. It's a really chilly day, I'm still feeling the effects of MCM from last weekend, and big reveal, I woke up with a big swollen football on the side of my face. For some reason my eyes all swollen up today. I've had a few healing potions, so hopefully they'll take effect soon. But that's not going to stop me. We've got a lot to get in today, so let's start on hall number 1. I've already come across a game I like the look of. Stalagbite, a dungeon crawler about dwarves exploring caves and covering gold. Looks really exciting, sounds really good. Might pick this up later, but we've still got a whole show to look around, so let's see what else is here. So we're about halfway around the first hall. There's 2 great big halls to explore. There's a hotel, there's an outdoor bit, there's some open free play gaming areas, and I'm on the hunt for a game that will be family friendly, that I can take on holiday with me. I really want to try and get my nephew into board gaming. A few bits for myself. Both me and Malcolm's here as well, have identified a whole bunch of things that we want to come back and buy, but we haven't done any major purchases so far, so we want to see what's here first and then make decisions after. So we'll keep checking out the games, and we've got a world exclusive that we're going to go check out at 2 o'clock, so lots to see. Titan Forge stand. I've bought it from these guys before, really love the style of the miniatures here. There's an undead army I really like the look of. I'm tempted, this is on the potential list. I love the colour schemes, really nice and chunky, great sculpts. Could be a purchase later on. I might have even seen it before, I'm not sure, but look how cool these miniatures look. Halfway round. It's hard to believe when you look out at the vast expanse that lays before us of Hall 2. We've taken in some good games so far. My shopping list is growing continuously, almost out of control, and I'm still on the hunt for a good game to play with my nephew. But when we get to the bottom of the stairs for the second hall, we're going to head right to the back. We're going to go rogue, off the beaten track, head to the back corner, because it's a lot calmer there, and then hopefully when we get back to the bottom of the stairs, it'll be calmer there, because it's a bit of a bottleneck at the moment, really congested, so that's a top tip from Rich. Party has made its first purchase. Malcolm's picked up Gaslands. That's a game that both individually and collectively we've been eyeing up. We're going to be trying it out in one of our upcoming board gaming nights. I don't know loads about it, but it involves buying Hot Wheels, customising them, painting them up, sticking bits on, and rolling some dice, which sounds like loads of fun to me. And if we can get a hot dog Hot Wheels car one day, that'll be rolling out onto the battlefields. Hooray! There's a great buzz in the air. There's a real sense of positivity and creativity down every aisle. There's that entrepreneurial spirit as people are showing off all their new games. And what's more fun than just walking around with a mate, playing some board games and having a good time? World exclusive. We're at the Avalon Hill stand for a Hero Quest reveal. It's the Delthrak dungeons? Jungles of Delthrak. Jungles of Delthrak. There's real tension and excitement in the air. There's about 20 people all huddled together waiting for the cloth to be removed to reveal the new game. Very, very exciting. We are genuinely excited. All a bit ridiculous and mad because we couldn't really see what was going on, but it's still exciting. But we're going to go have a snack and then hit the floor and finish the rest of the convention and also do some purchasing. What will I buy? So exciting! Looks like the time has arrived. The first purchase of the day, Core Quest. I've been after something that I can play with my nephew on holiday. I've been trying to get him into Hero Quest, but it's a bit too advanced for him. But Core Quest, I've been speaking to the guys here and it sounds far more accessible. And I really love the designs, the idea of it, the concept. It's not just about rolling dice, there's also dexterity challenges in it. It just sounds really good. Hopefully it's not too complicated for me, but let's pick it up and then we'll carry on round because there's a few more things I want to pick up today. Stand and it's all modular terrain. The base is steel, I think, and all of the terrain's got a magnet on the bottom of it so you can arrange it, stick it to the base, and the magnets are pretty strong so you can really feel it clamp down as you put the pieces together. But let's check out the table because there's some good stuff, and then each end of the table is bookended with some spectacular terrain builds. So I'm going to do my biggest pickup of the day, Stalagbite, a game I'm really excited to play. It looks really good, so grab this and then we'll head round and see all of the remaining highlights. We've still got a lot to go today. Gavel on Hill stand, and we didn't have much success with that world exclusive grand reveal other than the back of a bunch of people's heads. But it's been pointed out by Malcolm that we can just go and look at his phone and see the big reveal on Hasbro Pulse. So let's have a quick look. Right, enough silliness, let's actually go and see the game, because I'm really excited to check it out. Jungles of Delthrak, success! Finally had a proper good look at it. Miniatures look fantastic, lots of new floor tiles, spoke to the staff. The new mechanics sound really interesting. Didn't look at the dungeon maps because I don't want to spoil it. But no wandering monsters here, just success. Let's see what other treasure we uncover. Sometimes a piece of artwork can just draw me right in, and that's what's just happened. A Wayfarer's Tale, a game coming to Kickstarter in September. I picked up their free-to-play, print-and-play rules and game mats, so I'm going to try it out at home. But it's a bit of an adventure game. You can play solo, play as a group, and I just love the aesthetic, I love the idea behind it, so I'm really excited to try this one out. Check it out, they're coming to Kickstarter soon. Clouds have cleared and the sun is shining. Really fantastic weekend, not a bad day in sight, and great news, I think my beach ball eye is deflating and receding back inside my head. So UK Games Expo, great day out, real entrepreneurial spirit, very inspiring. I want to go home, do some creating, get in on the gaming action. But if you've enjoyed this, click left to see the last time I was at the UK Games Expo, or click right soon when I'll be at a toy fair up north. See you soon, explorers.